In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to refine your slab plate. The first thing I want to emphasize is that your plate must be hard or leather hard. If you try to lift it up and it seems like it's bending or folding, do not do this yet. Wait till it's hard, leather hard. Okay, so step one, you're going to use a loop tool to round out the lip of the plate. I'm starting on the top edge, and then you'll see that I'll flip it over and do the other side. All right, so now that that top side is rounded, I'm gonna flip the plate over and round out the other edge. Okay, so that's about it. Now, if you want to, you can do an optional fourth step, which is to take a damp sponge and smooth out plate even more. Make sure that this sponge isn't soaking wet so that it makes the plate floppy again, but just enough to smooth everything out. Okay, have fun.